Hey everyone, Dave Moorhead here with another great vegan recipe for you. I came up with this recipe on my own, and unfortunately it didn't go absolutely perfect like I had hoped, but I think I'm going to modify a few things and it's going to come out much better in the future. Now the only problem is it just doesn't look as pretty as I thought it was going to, but the good news is it still tastes absolutely amazing. Today we're going to be making vegan taquitos. Yes, look at that crowd down there. You guys, I know, you love it, right? Yes, vegan taquitos, ladies and gentlemen. So the original taquitos, I think you have egg and, not egg, but cheese and meat in them. And of course, we can't have that as vegans. So I just basically changed a few things to ingredients that are healthier and things that are vegan. And now I think you're absolutely gonna love it. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. I will also put the ingredients down below the video. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit or 246 degrees Celsius. Finely dice the onion and garlic. Add vegan butter to the pan and saute the garlic and onions on medium heat until the onions are soft. Add chili powder, cumin, bragg liquid aminos, and cook for 1 minute, stirring constantly to prevent the spices from burning. Add water and pinto beans, stir to combine, and cook for 15 minutes. While the beans are cooking, dice a potato into small cubes, put them in a microwave-safe dish. Cover the dish with a paper towel and cook for 5 minutes on high power. Cook until soft. Add the soft potato cubes to the pan with the beans and mash the beans and potatoes until smooth. Spread the bean potato mixture on the tortillas, leaving about 1 inch of space from the outer edge. Then roll the tortillas. I used cold tortillas from the refrigerator, and I think that's what caused mine to fall apart. So I recommend heating your tortillas first, a little bit, and then roll them, and I think they should hold their shape. The good news is that they still tasted delicious, they just didn't look as pretty. Place the taquitos on the oiled baking sheet and spray them with a little oil. Hopefully yours won't look as pathetic as mine. Bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown and crispy. Baking times will vary. These are what my taquitos look like because I used cold tortillas when I was rolling them. So you definitely don't want to use cold tortillas. They won't look nice. So what I did was I used the leftover mix that I had from yesterday and I made some new ones, and I warmed the tortillas up in a pan, and then I rolled them and then baked them, and then they looked much better like this. Congrats, you've just made vegan taquitos! Deeee-licious. If you make this recipe, please let me know in the comments. If you would like to see more vegan recipes, please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you and bon appetit!